University Credit Union's Bill Pay feature is an easy way to keep all of your bills organized in one place. To sign up for Bill Pay, log into your UCU account on the mobile app. On the bottom menu, click Bill Pay. This will take you to another screen where you will answer a security question and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Complete Sign Up. UCU will then review your application and you will receive an email once it has been approved. Once you've been approved, log into your account and click on Bill Pay from the bottom menu. Click on Payees from the top menu to set up your payee list. On this page, you can search for a person or business to add to your payee list. For this example, we will use Spectrum as a payee. If your payee does not appear when searching, you can manually add it by filling out the required information. Next, fill in your account number and any other necessary info. Then, once you're finished, click Add Payee. You can use Bill Pay by selecting the Pay field from the top menu. Select the To field and your payees will show up. Select the appropriate payee, and then in the From field, select which account you would like to pay from. Then add the amount and the date you would like to pay, and then click Pay. On the next page, you will receive confirmation of your scheduled payment. From here, you can either make another payment, view your scheduled payments, or cancel your payment.